everyone, including you. Yes, you, the math teacher that assigned me this kind of task. Today we're going to take a look at a problem, an integral problem, which came from SMAC 1's Science Math book, exercise 2, number 13, page 153. First, let's take a look at the method that we're going to use to solve this kind of problem. The method that we're going to use is the substitution method. The substitution method. It is basically the way that we're going to use substitution method is basically we're going to substitute a function into one variable. For example, if you have ax plus b, we're going to translate that ax plus b equals u, for example. I'm sure everyone already knows this and how to do it, but if you haven't, check the teacher's explanation. Link hopefully will be at the description. Okay, so what kind of problem are we facing here? The problem is prove that the integration of x dx over brackets a plus bx squared close brackets cubed equals to negative 1 over 4b times the bracket a plus bx squared close brackets squared plus c. Okay, so let's determine which functions are we going to substitute. In this case, we are going to substitute this function right here. Let me use other. Yeah, this is the function that we're going to substitute. A plus bx squared will be equal to u in this case. Okay, so we already have this, right? We already have the u equals something, and the next part that we're going to do is that we're going to like du. If it is the same as we are deriving this equation right here, this a plus bx squared, we're deriving u equals to the derivation of a constant is 0, which means we are left with bx squared. The derivation of bx squared will be 2b times x dx. Now, while we add it, we can have du 1 over 2b du equals to x dx. This is another set of equation that I'm going to color with let's make it purple. Let's make it purple. Alright, this is another set of equation that we're going to substitute here. So adding another layer to this. Yeah, so because we already have that, let me write the equation first. The integration of x dx over a plus bx squared cubed. Now we can substitute this here, right? Because when previously we have seen that x dx will be equal to half b times du, and a plus bx squared cubed is going to be the same as u, so we could substitute it here into the integration of 1 over 2b times du times 1 over u squared cube. So we're going to change this into a simpler terms, which will be the integration of u to the power of negative 3 times 1 over 2b. So yes, this is going to be the constant, this is going to be the constant, and wait, this is going to be the constant, while this is going to be the main subject of integration. Okay. So, and if you integrate this, it will be, if you integrate that, you will get 1 over negative 4b times u to the power of negative 2 plus c as a random constant that we put in there. So if you already got this, you can make it into negative 1 over 4b times u squared. So you already got this, right? So if you already have that, you can change it into negative 1 over 4b times a plus bx squared close brackets squared plus c. You're just substituting u back into its original form, that is a plus bx squared. That's my explanation of this solving method. Leave a like and drop a comment if you have something to ask. That's all for me. Hashtag stay at home, guys.